Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about the new announcement that Binance made today about listing the DYDX native governance token called the DYDX token on the Binance's innovation zone tomorrow, right? And this is an announcement that got released on the 8th of September, which is today. And the listing is going to be happening tomorrow, which is the 9th of September, right? So the announcement reads as follows. Binance will list DYDX in the innovation zone and will open trading for DYDX BNB, DYDX BTC, DYDX BUSD, and DYDX USDT trading pairs on 9th of September to 2 a.m. UTC. So again, this is a big announcement because DYDX is one of the most popular options trading or derivatives trading platform on the decentralized finance space, and it is a platform that has been around for quite some time. It is one of my favorite projects as well. I've definitely expected the DYDX token airdrop to happen sometime last year, and just like I thought, the airdrop happened this year. For people who were eligible to claim the airdrop, congratulations to you guys. It is a token that is one of the most anticipated tokens, not as anticipated as the Uniswap's Uni token, but it's still one of the most popular platform tokens that was expected to do an airdrop, and they did it this year, right? So again, just to give you an overview for people who don't know what DYDX is. DYDX is basically the governance token of the DYDX Layer 2 protocol. DYDX grant holders the right to propose and vote on changes to the protocol, earn staking rewards, and enjoy trading fee discounts. So that's basically the main function of the token itself. So it is first of all the token that is a part of the DYDX Layer 2 ecosystem, which again we'll go through soon, is a very popular derivatives trading, or not derivatives, like options trading or futures trading platform, right? So and the DYDX token itself basically grants the token holders the right to propose and vote on changes to the protocol, and also provides staking rewards for people who stake on the platform and enjoy trading fee bonuses, so trading fee discounts, right? So that's a very important feature that's offered to people who hold the DYDX token. Again, here they're providing the reminder for the innovation zone, which I'll let you guys read. But overall, this is the announcement. So starting tomorrow, you will be able to trade DYDX tokens, and there's a lot of people who are anticipating a token spike tomorrow, and then obviously by the end of the day tomorrow, the token is going to be dumped and the token will easily crash, right? So again, going to the CoinMarketCap page, so this is DYDX. I'm going to go through the information presented at the bottom section of the CoinMarketCap page for DYDX in order to provide some peripheral analysis of this platform. But again, it is your responsibility to perform your own in-depth analysis before you put any of your money on this token, right? So DYDX is a governance token that allows the DYDX community to truly govern the DYDX Layer 2 protocol. By enabling shared control of the protocol, DYDX allows traders, liquidity providers, and partners of the DYDX ecosystem to work collectively towards an enhanced protocol. So basically, this platform token allows people to govern the platform, and also allows traders, liquidity providers, and partners of DYDX to work collectively towards an enhanced protocol, right? That's the main goal of this token. DYDX enables a robust ecosystem around governance, rewards, and staking, each designed to drive future growth and decentralization of DYDX, resulting in a better experience for users. So overall, they are trying to allow for people to govern the network. I think due to regulatory concerns in the current space, in the crypto space right now, all projects are trying to kind of like relinquish their ownership and give the control directly to the community, thereby making their platforms as a DAO, or a decentralized autonomous organization. Similar to that, DYDX is also trying to hand over the keys to the platform to, by keys I'm not talking about the private keys, I'm just talking about a metaphorical key to the platform, to the users, traders, and people who want to participate in the governance ecosystem of this platform, in order to help the platform become more decentralized, as well as work together in order to better the platform itself, right? So that's basically the main motive, and that's one of the reasons why this token exists in the first place. So now that that information is kind of like discussed, let's go to the website itself. So DYDX.community is the page where you can get a lot of information about this platform, as well as the token itself. And also you can get an opportunity to see if you are if you are eligible for an airdrop. So I believe you can still claim it, but if you can't, then I think you will at least be able to claim a portion of the reward, because I think depending on when you are claiming this, you may not necessarily be entitled for the full rewards, but your rewards may be slashed after a particular period of time, right? So basically, welcome to DYDX Governance and Staking. This is basically the platform. They first of all have a pretty cool platform. It is a very high quality platform on the Ethereum blockchain, and you can clearly see that they have 26.3 million tokens in circulation out of the 1 billion tokens in circulation. 1 billion tokens, that's the max supply. Although the tokenomics may not be that great, it is a governance token of a platform that is quite popular, and I think because of that, I think the tokenomics portion can be ignored for now. But although the tokenomics isn't that good, you can definitely expect some price pumping as this token gets listed on several major exchanges. I also believe that this token can get a listing on Coinbase as well, because considering the fact that Coinbase has been listing pretty crappy tokens in the recent times, I think this token is a very good quality token, which has an extremely high chance of being listed on Coinbase and several other tier 1 exchanges, right? So you have 2.64% of the total tokens in circulation. So we'll dive deep into the tokenomics shortly, but that's a pretty low number. That shows that this token obviously has a lot of room to grow, and it's a very new token with not a lot of tokens in circulation, with a vast majority of the tokens locked within the platform itself, within the protocol itself. So you can stake this token by providing liquidity to earn more of this token, and you can basically see the countdown for the next epoch. So you can read more about the epoch and all that from their website. They distribute rewards in the form of new DYDX tokens for liquidity providers, as well as for people who stake the token. And if you provide liquidity, you can earn a small share of this reward pool of 3.8 million tokens, right? So you also have trading rewards. So if you do participate on trading in DYDX platform, you can basically kind of like win some DYDX tokens as a reward every time you trade, every time you do like margin trading or leverage trading and so on and so forth, right? So there are multiple proposals that will eventually be passed, where people who hold the DYDX tokens can easily participate, which again will be showing here once this goes live. And also currently there are no recent proposals, because for now this is still a very early stage platform, and once you connect your wallet, you may see some potential proposals in the future. So overall, it is a typical governance token of a very popular project on the Ethereum ecosystem. There have been so many governance tokens that we've covered in our channel that have basically kind of like pumped like crazy. So I'm not expecting anything less for this token. I feel like this token is going to pump extremely well tomorrow, and obviously after a potential Coinbase listing. So there's a lot of short-term as well as mid to long-term potential for this token, which I believe will definitely make some really wealthy people, right? So Going to the CoinMarketCap's page for DYDX, this token is currently ranked 221st by market cap on CoinMarketCap with a price of $11.99, close to $12 per token at the time of making this video. Despite this token having a max supply of 1 billion tokens, the token price is about $12. So obviously this token may potentially go up to $15 to $20 after a Binance and Coinbase listing, but that is yet to come. Overall, I think this token will have somewhere between $7 to $9 in average price, in the upcoming months, and it can even go as low as $5 to $4, thereby giving opportunities for people to buy this token if they haven't already gotten the airdrop, right? So the token obviously did not move in price in the past 24 hours. It already has a market cap of $665 million. Even though the circulating supply is only 2.8% or something, as we saw from the website, but in CoinMarketCap it says 6%. So obviously it's a very new token, so the information is going to be murky. So let's say the token has less than 10% in circulating supply, right? Even with the less than 10% circulating supply, the market cap is quite phenomenally high. That's because this token is one of the most popular, one of the many most high quality Ethereum projects with a lot of popularity around it on the crypto DeFi space. And that's one of the reasons why the market cap is quite high. And some people may say that the market cap is overinflated, which again, although is a potential possibility, I think this token will have a fair market cap of over $500 million in any given time. That shows that this platform will definitely sustain itself for the long run. And since this platform is also offering like lending opportunities, so people who provide, let's say, USDT or USDC tokens on the platform for other people to kind of like use for leverage trading will also earn passive income by lending out their tokens. So there's going to be a lot of total value locked increase that will happen in this platform in the upcoming few months. That's going to definitely drive the token value upwards, as well as the total value locked of this platform also to the moon, right? So that's basically my personal opinion on financial advice. If you take the max supply, it says 1 billion tokens that we already know. Something that I'm not really a fan of. I would like my tokens to be at least, not at least, like at most of 100 million tokens max, not more than that. But 1 billion tokens is definitely a lot of tokens, especially when these tokens can easily get dumped and slump the token price for the short term, right? Which is a possibility which will happen once people have obviously expected the Binance and Coinbase listings. They will easily dump these tokens, but like after the dumping, the token will start to stabilize, and that will kind of like make this token give its fair market value of about $7 to $9 per token, right, in that range. So the circulating supply is 6%, as we saw in the CoinMarketCap's page, but again, the actual value that is provided on the website was 2% or 2.69% or something like that. But overall, let's say this token is obviously less than 10%, has 10% circulating supply out of its max supply. It's still a lot of tokens that are yet to be deployed into the market, which can technically slump the token price, which is going to definitely cause some form of price sideways action, which I'm not going to lie is going to suck. But at the same time, overall, you're going to have long-term growth and potential, because this project is an established project and will definitely have like good long-term potentials in the long run, right? So let's go to the markets. Let's go to the charts itself first of all before we go to the market. So this token obviously has not been around for a very long time. It is a very new token. The token price, as you can see, doesn't really make sense in CoinMarketCap. But the initial price itself was like around $12, and I think this token hasn't really set up proper new all-time highs yet. I think this token is a good opportunity for people who obviously want to get into to a project that's extremely early, because this project is extremely early. It's less than a month old, and I think this token can set new all-time highs. I think the token has the potential to go as high as $25 per token, which will definitely be a really decent profit in crypto terms. But obviously this token can go even higher than that by the end of this bull run, right? I think this token can easily go to $35 by the end of this bull run, if everything goes well, and the token still has a lot of demand. When it comes to Bitcoin comparative, again, there's no point in looking at the Bitcoin comparative, because this token obviously has literally not much data available for it for making any meaningful analysis. But at the time I'm making this video, this token is trading at around 0.00025 Satoshi Bitcoin per token, or 250,000 Satoshis per token, which is again not a bad price point, because if you see the lowest it has been was about $9 or something, which is obviously not even less than 200,000 Satoshi. So that's a very good price point for a token like this, because it obviously has some strong community support, and there are a lot of token holders who are still hodling their token. They don't want to sell this because they obviously realize that from Uniswap airdrop, many people who sold Uniswap tokens at that time immediately after the airdrop are literally kicking themselves, because the token is obviously performing extremely well. So people are obviously realizing that any airdrop tokens that they receive should not be sold, because those tokens can perform extremely well in the long run, right? I think based on that, many people are basically hodling this token, people who received airdrops of this token, and that's a really good thing, because as more people hodl, the token price is not going to tank or even crash, right? So that's a good thing. So looking at the markets for this token, I think this token is already available on several good and excellent exchanges. So if you see, Huobi Global is one of the largest centralized exchange, which is also a tier 1 exchange. It's available with the USDT pair. You can also get it from Get.io, Poloniex. You can also get it from Uniswap version 3 and version 2. OKEX is also a very popular tier 1 exchange. So overall, a lot of new exchanges, as well as big and popular exchanges, are also listing this token. With the Binance listing coming tomorrow, this token is definitely going to go a little bit higher, maybe somewhere between $15 to $20 per token. And Coinbase will definitely potentially list this token sooner, maybe in a month or so, or even less than that if you are lucky, and this token can easily go up to $25 or even slightly higher than that, and that will probably be its short-term all-time highs. By the end of this bull run, I think this token can easily touch $35 or more per token, right? But overall, if you are looking to buy this token, obviously be very careful. It is a very volatile token. I think this token can easily crash immediately after the Binance listing, so you need to be very careful, right? Maybe you can wait after the Binance crash is over and buy this token at a dip, and then wait for a Coinbase listing, and then make sure that this token make sure you don't get this token when it's high. Make sure to get this token when it's low. But again, not financial advice, but once you get this token at a low, and after Coinbase listing, this token is going to start pumping, and that's a good time to sell to make some short-term gains, right? Or if you're a long-term believer in this token and this project, I think you can hodl this token for long-term. But that's up to you, right? It's a decision that you have to make based on your own research, right? So that's my final verdict, guys. Again, remember, guys, you guys are not regular investors. You guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.